Today we go to 1961, the last year of the legendary 283. No power steering means more effort at low speed. Drum brakes mean braking earlier. That involvement is part of the reward. It shaped the history of the automobile. It belongs here. And today we go back to 1961. Today we go to 1961, the last year of the legendary 283. The year Chevrolet's Corvette grew its ducktail 283 cubic inches, 230 horsepower, a basis price of $30 in 1961. The auction was for farm equipment, but Zane found a corner of fiberglass, a crossed flags badge. He pulled the ducktail. Bill Mitchell took this design from his XP 700 show car and his Stingray race car. The side coves. 1961 was the final year you could order them in a contrasting color or gone. Fiberglass. In 1961, every other American car used pressed steel body panels. 5 engines, all 283 cubic inches, 5 different states of tune, 206 months of restoration, numbers matching 283, original carburetor rebuild. Let us get into every detail of what makes the 1961 Corvette 283 the most important C1 ever built. Right, 283 cubic inches, 4.6 liters, OHV V8, 230 horsepower at 4,800 RPM. 300 pound-feet of torque at 1957. Chevrolet achieved 1 horsepower per cubic inch from the 283. First proper road drive. Zane held third gear past 3,000 RPM. That sound. The Chevrolet small block OHV V8 at idle has a particular rhythm. A note on horsepower honesty. 1961 used SAE gross ratings. The engine measured 9.5 to 1 compression. In 1961, the engine is original. The fuel changed around it. 283 cubic inches, 230 horsepower, 300 pound-feet, OHV. Drum brakes, front and rear. In 1961, disc brakes were rare on road cars. The drum 7.5 seconds, 0 to 60. Car Life magazine tested the 230 HP Corvette in 3,064 pounds. In 1961 American terms, light. A 102-inch wheelbase, 176.7 inches long, 52.2 inches tall. 1961 was a handling improvement year. A stabilizer bar was added to the standard equipment list. 6.7015 bias ply construction. In 1961, radial tires existed but were not standard. Driving the 1961 Corvette in 2025 requires recalibration. 10.8 miles per gallon, 16.4 gallon tank, 177 miles of range. 1953, the Corvette is born. A show car turned production reality. Blue Bill Mitchell. He replaced Harley Earl as GM's design chief in 1958, where Earl was round. 1961 was a year of chrome reduction. Mitchell removed the chrome teeth from the grille, replaced with mesh. The crossed flags badge, a checkered flag and the American flag, forming a V-shape, on every Corvette from the beginning. The interior, 2 bucket seats, a narrower transmission tunnel than 1960, giving slightly more interior room. 7 exterior colors in 1961. Roman red, tuxedo black, ermine white, fawn. $3,934 in 1961. Average household income, approximately $50 to $600. The ducktail rear was not only beautiful, it was practical. The redesign increased luggage space by 20. 1961, the last year. After this model year, the 283 was gone from the Corvette. Every drive in a numbers-matching 1961 Corvette begins the same way. You start it cold. You wait. No power steering means more effort at low speed. Drum brakes mean braking earlier. That involvement is part of the reward. The drum brakes require respect. You plan your braking zone 30% earlier than modern instinct. Cornering in the 1961 Corvette is an education in physics. The independent front, live rear axle combination. On an open road, the 1961 Corvette reveals itself completely. People see the 1961 Corvette and they slow down to look. They give space. At the end of the day, driving a 1961 Corvette is not about the numbers. He parked it, turned off the ignition. The 283 ticked as it cooled. Zane sat in the silence. January 1961, John F. Kennedy was inaugurated. America was in space by May. The top of the 1961 Corvette range, 315 horsepower. Ramjet fuel injection. In 2025, a well-preserved 1953 80-15 historical significance. 1953 and February night. Tamati from 300s is the story of a dream becoming a reality. Look at the 1961 rear and then look at the 1963 Stingray. The language is the same. 1961 added an aluminium radiator. The copper core unit it replaced was heavier and less efficient. The knowledgeable ones found it immediately. It's real. 64 years of survival. The 1961 Chevrolet Corvette 283 is not just a car. It was Dathan. Tires, correction applied. Source data showed 670 R15. This was a garbled representation. Transmissions, 3 options in 1961. Base, 3-speed manual floor shift. Performance. Dimensions, length 176.7 inches, width 70.5 inch. 5 engines, all 283 CI. 230 HP, dual 4-barrel, higher tune. Original MSRP, $3,934 in 1961. Adjusted for 2050 condyle. We have spent a full day with a numbers-matching 1961 Chevrolet Corvette 283, and here is what Bikeverse honestly thinks.
Honest verdict, the 1961 Corvette 283 base was not the fastest car of its year.
A 1961 Corvette belongs with the collector who understands that numbers matching last year of the... If this story of the 1961 Corvette meant something to you, subscribe to Bikeverse right now. Hit the bell.
I spent 6 months restoring this car. I found it at an auction at in Carrying Smithwood than any number I could put on it.